Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro 14 Plus driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. After that click to support and then click driver and download, and this is a search box to type Dell Pro 14 Plus. So you can see others also showing here. So all the driver download and installations process same. Okay. So select this. If you are using different, so select this, no worry. But driver installations and driver download process same. So after that, you can see this. There are two window to install the driver. First is automatic and second is manual. Manual means specific driver you are facing some issues related the cameras and sound and LAN and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you need only specific driver you have to update, then you can select this one. Okay, and suppose you are otherwise you are facing some issues and this is automatic means it will check the required driver to your system and then it will install automatically. But select this driver. Okay, yeah, this is your laptop and scroll down the click to categorize, then scroll down. This is video. So this is a driver. Okay, ARC Pro graphic driver, graphic software included, then click to download. So it is 1.42 GB. So it's might be take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then single click to open, it is completed. Click to yes for administrator rights. Now install directly, select the first. Now this is installing. Okay, after this window click to bring install and it will take some time. Then next to install, setup, install and done, and after that restart your system. Thank you.